from a place where the nights were cold, where you learn life young before you grow old. Empty pocket but a heart full of dreams. Nothing in this life is easy as it seems. I watch my family struggle to survive, still give thanks every morning we were alive. Sometimes no money, still we carried on through the hardest days. Jah made me strong. Jah is one. When the whole world changed, Jah is one. When you're far from your place, when the ones you love leave you standing alone, Jah walk beside you wherever you roam. Jah is one. Through the joy and pain, through the empty pockets and the pouring rain, I've seen many things underneath this sun, but through my life experience, Jah is one. I gave my trust and they gave me lies, saw the truth hiding behind friendly eyes. People I called family switched overnight, so I learned how to walk through the darkness with light. Love came close, then love went wrong. I gave everything, but it didn't last long. A broken heart can teach you to stand alone, and sometimes you find yourself when somebody's gone. I lost someone I wanted here today. There are certain kinds of pain that never fade away. Sometimes I remember and I call their name, knowing life will never quite feel the same. But I carry their memory wherever I go, deep in my heart where nobody knows. Though tears may fall when the night time comes, I pray for their spirit beneath the same sun. Jah is one. When the whole world changes, Jah is one. When you're far from your place, when the ones you love leave you standing alone, Jah walk beside you wherever you roam. Jah is one. Through the joy and pain, through the empty pockets and the pouring